All right, we are aboard the Carnival Mardi Gras. We are in an extended balcony aft room 12508. Let's go in and check it out. Come in. Ah, there's Susie and there's Becca. Come into a nice stateroom here. Get my finger out of the camera. And of course, it's an extended balcony. Balcony is really nice. There's 2 chairs, and Rebecca's already taking advantage of the chaise lounge. And they have Becca's bed. It's a sofa. It's set up for a bed, which she has a night light as well. It's really cool. The lighting in here is really, really neat. Very relaxing. Hey! Of course, TV. So this is an extended aft balcony room. And here's the bathroom. Bathrooms are a little small, but definitely functional. Decent sized shower. Lots of closet space. So get in here, turn the light on there. We've got lots of hangers. There's the safe, drawers there, shoe drawers. Here's another set, closets, more hangers, lots of storage space. So it's a really nice room. It's well lit. It's more spacious than it looked in the videos that we'd watched. It's a nice room. I like the lighting elements in here. So I think you're really going to enjoy it. So for the next week, we will live out of this room, and it will be our home away from home. We'll be seeing you around. Bye-bye.